Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, 35 Java exception related interview questions I am going to explain. This is part 2. Let's continue. 13. It is possible try catch block inside a catch block. Yes, it is possible to have a try catch block inside a catch block. What is the purpose of finally block? The main purpose of finally block is to maintain the cleanup code. This block will execute always. Okay, the idea here is we will have a finally block in whatever happens in the try or catch block. We don't bother. We want to execute some of the code before going out of that method. Okay, so that's where finally block comes into picture. Finally block dominates everything. Even if you have return statement, it will dominate. Okay, even if you have exception, it will dominate. The only condition it will not executed is if the JVM shuts down, the finally block will not be executed. It is possible try block without catch block. Yes, it is possible try block without catch block using finally block. You can use like this, try and finally. Next question, in which case finally block will not be executed? There is one solution where the finally block won't be executed. If we are using system.exit explicitly, then JVM itself will be shut down and there is no chance of executing the final block. This is the only condition you cannot execute the final block. This is very important Java entry question. The interviewer might ask this question. 17th one, if return statement present in try block is finally block will be executed. As I told you already, yes, if return statement present inside a try block, then also finally block will be executed. Finally block will dominate return statement also. Finally block will dominate the exception thrown. What is the difference between final, finally and finalize? Final is a modifier applicable on variable and methods and class. Final variable means constant, reassign is not possible. Finally is a block that associated with try catch block to maintain the cleanup code. Okay, this will be executed at the end. Finalize is a method of an object class. Garbage collector always call this method just before destroying any object to perform any cleanup activity. So that's like a hook method. So I'm going to destroy your object. Do you want to do something? Please do it now. Otherwise, this is a lost opportunity I'm giving you. That's what the garbage collector says. Is it possible to write any code within try and catch block and finally block? No, it is not possible to write any statement between try, catch, finally block. If we will try to write any statement between them, you will get a compiler error. Okay, it is possible to finally block for the same try. No, it is not possible to finally block in the same try. If we try to take, then we will get a compile time error. So you can't have a two finally block for the same try. Okay, is syntax try finally catch is possible? No, this syntax is not valid. It should be like try, catch, finally, then only the code will be compiled. What is the purpose of throw keyword? Sometimes we create an exception implicitly. We can hand over that exception object to the JVM explicitly by using throw keyword. So if I try to do something, okay, and I'm getting an error, I can't handle it, I can throw to a neighbor class or the called class or the called method. Maybe he knows how to handle this exception. That's where the throw comes into picture. For example, in other word, throw key used to raise the exception. Throw new arithmetic exception. So I don't know how to handle it. I'm giving to the called method. Okay, hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. The remaining questions I'll be explaining in the next video. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.